Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to give Linux a tryout. As of today, Windows 11 will not run, or at least is not supported on old hardware older than 4 years old. So if you want to try Linux, I'll show you the steps to do. So first, you can go to the website DistroWatch and pick a Linux distribution. So here's the website DistroWatch, and here you can see the top Linux distributions. I do use Linux, but I still use Windows also. So anyway, a Linux distribution that's good for beginners is Ubuntu here, or Mint. I use Mint myself, so you just want to click that, the link, and then here's the link to the Mint website. And then you can download a version of Mint appropriate for your machine. I'll be trying out an older version, version 19, Tiara. So just click the link, and I like the Mate desktop, and I'll be downloading a 64-bit. I've already downloaded the Mate version for 64-bit, but this is how you would obtain it. And once you have downloaded the ISO file, then you need a program called Rufus to take the ISO file and put it, or make it into a bootable USB flash drive for your PC. So here is the Rufus website. And there's what it looks like. I will do this actual step, that I just wanted to show you the website here. So here is the ISO file for Mate 64-bit, and here is Rufus. It doesn't need to be installed. It's just an executable. So okay, so let's double click that. Okay, I've already got a flash drive in my PC, and just select the ISO that you want to install. So there it is for my machine. leave these settings as they are. Partition MBR target BIOS or UEFI. Yeah, you probably want FAT32 for the file system. I guess you can leave the cluster size as is, and just here click start. Okay, yeah, just accept write ISO image mode as the preferred method. Okay, and yeah, it says all your data will be destroyed, so yes, that's fine. Alright, so the program has started creating a bootable USB drive for Linux. So I'll pick it up when we're almost done here. It does take about I think, well, it does take some time. I think maybe 20 minutes it took when I did this previously. Alright, we're nearly done here. Yeah, I think you need a flash drive of at least I think 4 gigabytes is the recommended minimum size, but I'm using a 16 gigabyte, so I guess that's why it's working much faster. Okay, it's ready, so just going to click close here. And we'll proceed with the next step. Okay, here looking at the PC that I want to give Linux a try on. Most distributions allow you to do an install, or you can just give them a try to see if you like it. So I'll just show you how to give it a try. As you can see, this PC is running Windows 10 right now. I've taken the flash drive that I created with Rufus and inserted it into a USB port. So first thing, I have to go into the BIOS and have that be have it boot from the USB port instead of the hard drive in this PC. So just have to go in and restart it. So okay, so we're going to do a restart here, and then when the startup screen appears, you have to press the function key that puts you into the BIOS. Oh, alright, well, we got updates to do first here. So, alright, you'll come back. Okay, I've restarted the PC, and the USB flash drive is in the port. I had to press F2 on this PC to enter the BIOS. It's probably something different on your PC, so you have to check your manual to see what function key that is. So now that we're in the BIOS, we want to go to the boot order. So first thing you want the boot mode to be in legacy, not UEFC. You can see this is already in the legacy mode, and on the boot priority order, you want the first item to be the USB port or HDD. This PC has a eMMC as its storage. You can see that is item number 3. So anyway, as long as it's not the first item, otherwise it would boot into Windows. So we are all set for this machine. So we'll just press F10 to exit, and you should go into Linux. Should boot into Linux now. Okay, you can see there's the Linux Mint logo, and we're going to boot into it. Okay, we got a few error messages, but I think we should get by them. Okay, here's the Linux Mint logo again, the boot up sequence. So we're good there. Okay, so here we are at the next Mint desktop, the Mate desktop. I just show you that some items here. Here's the menu. You can see oh yeah, here's all the applications that are on this, are included in Linux Mint. GIMU, Firefox, Media Player. So here, just to bring up the calculator here. So you can switch modes. So just to show that, first of all, here, if you want to install Linux Mint, this is how you would do it. You would just double click this install Linux Mint icon to actually install it. Here's the eMMC 32 gigabyte storage, and I have an extra 64 gigabyte SD card of storage on this PC. You can see this is the demo mode or test drive mode of Linux. We're running off the USB drive. Windows is still on the eMMC. Maybe we'll bring up Firefox just to show that Mint is fully working here. And we'll go to YouTube. It's a bit slow, but okay, here it comes. It would be faster running off your storage device. So let's go to a site here. We started with originally.
Monday.com Work Docs is a new kind of doc. You don't just write with it, you create entire workflows with it. Work docs are connected to all your work apps and data. That way everything is in one place.
Okay, let's get the ads and just...
Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is another little video about the release of October 5th of Windows 11. For those that will want to have Android apps in Windows 11, it ain't going to happen on October 5th. So right now what's happening is some of the apps are updated. The way Android apps
so anyway,
are going to happen, they're going to happen through the app.
Pause this. So anyway, this is just to show that Linux Mint is actually working, although not installed here, but you can do an install if everything works fine for you and you like what you see. Alright, let's close the screens here and let's log off. So we're going to quit and want to shut down here. So okay, so there we are shutting down. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and you would like to try out Linux Mint. Okay, there it is. It finally goes. It has shut off now. Thank you for watching. Bye.